Hello and welcome to Maths with Jacob. This lesson will focus on random tables, lesson 21. Each slide lasts for 4 seconds and there are 48 questions. This video gives you another opportunity to practice your times tables, which are so necessary for many areas of mathematics. Now you may choose to do these orally, that's up to you, or you may choose to have a piece of paper and a pen and write the answers down. Whichever way you choose to go, I have the answers at the end and you'll be able to check your answers if you decide to write them down. Good luck with it, and here we go. Okay, I hope you went very well with those. Now if you decided to use a pen and paper, I have the answers here for you. I'll leave these up for 2 minutes so you can check your answers. I hope you did very well, and I'll be uploading these videos on a regular basis. Bye for now.